Hi, Mike here from Sportsguns. Here we're going to have a quick look at the new Glock 19 by Umarex. After many years, Glock have finally allowed a airgun company to produce a licensed replica. Umarex have done a pretty good job with this. Although it's not a blowback, it's not a pellet, this is the first one that they have done, so maybe there are others in the wings, we don't know as yet. But for a first attempt, the overall impression and feedback is it's good. Full metal slide, Glock logoing on the barrel, featured quite heavily but discreet. The body polymer. It's got a weighty 717 grams weight to it, without the CO2 in and BBs. So it is a heavyweight model. There are some other models which you've had which weren't licensed, which didn't have this authentic feel to it. As I said, non-blowback, fixed slide. It's got open fixed sights, front and rear. Textured grips, all-weather grips on the pistol. Smooth barrel. It takes a 16-shot .177 steel BB mag. It's a stick mag. The safety, as like the real thing, is on the trigger. Again, more logoing, officially licensed product of Glock. Weaver rail attachment fitting underneath the barrel with the serial number as well. To remove and fit CO2, easy dropout mag, slide down, just pulls out. It's got a neat little Allen key fitting to screw in your CO2. Just slides back in. The FPS produced by the smooth bore barrel is 3 joules, which equates to about 330 FPS. It's got a 1-year warranty on it. Sportsguns will give you a 2-year warranty for no extra price. It's got extra magazines which we have in stock. These are $29.99, I believe, that we've got them for, which is about right for a spare mag in terms of price with others on the market. Overall, we like it. We're selling these for $99.99. We offer a delivery to all England and Wales to your door for $19.50. We'll try and do a little test on it again later, but first impressions, it's a great little pistol.